In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel name font like this. This is a very nice name I change using a secret method. So first, you need to just going on your channel, then going on YouTube Studio or click on this customize channel. That's all. Now you need to going on this website. It's called like uh, fancy text generator. Just click on search on YouTube, sorry, search on Google, then you found this website, I hope. Now here are type your targeted YouTube channel name. So I like this one. So you can choose any of design. So here's lots of design available, you can choose anyone. So example purpose, I select this one, just copy. Now going on your channel, then just paste here, then click on publish. That's it. So I already changed before making this video, so you can try in this following this method. So I need to wait more 3 days for changing this name again. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.